Hello students, hope you are good. Today we are going to discuss about different type of concepts which is covered into JavaScript. Fine. So last time we discussed about how to create variables. Why do we need variables? Okay. And answer is what? Storing data. Okay. Reserving memory space. Fine. Adding data into space, memory space, right? Which keyword is required to store variable in JavaScript? Which keyword is required to store variables in JavaScript? Or simply we can say variable declaration statement using, yes, absolutely right, var keyword. Okay. Or you may pronounce like var. Okay. Absolutely right. See, when you type, okay, when you type code in text editor, you should remember, you should know about each and every character should be in small letter, because JavaScript is very case sensitive one. Okay, so you should write like this: var space and then variable name like uh, your name, name, your name. Fine, semicolon. So in this manner you can put variable names. Okay, better way to write each and every character in lowercase. Okay, today's concept is based on data types. Okay, see, data types, computer is mainly used to store information and to do complex calculations. When we store information, it is in form of alphabets, numbers, alphanumeric values. Okay, JavaScript provides data types to store and use different types of value, and now these values say how information in presentation. So this is data types in JavaScript. Primitive types, other types, and composite types. Basically there are three categories when you talk about data types, but in our textbook they shows only number, string, boolean, null, undefined, and all these things, right? See, primitive types having number, string, and boolean only. Okay, three types. And when you talk about other types, then which is called as a null data type and undefined type. Okay, and one more types which are comes under composite category, composite types, and these composite types are objects and arrays. Okay, these are reserved. See, these are reserved to store values, okay, in specific data. Then just let's move to the one program, that is scripting program. Okay, see, first of all there's one line. Okay, it just comments. Okay, it just what comments in JavaScript. It is called a single line comment. How to add a single line comment? With the help of forward slashes. Okay, this forward slash, use forward slashes, two forward slash, and write whatever you want. Okay, this is for developer reference, this is for designer reference. Okay, which is keep by browser engine, by JavaScript engine. Fine. Okay, JavaScript engine काय करणार नाही, ह्याला एक्झिक्यूट करणार नाही, त्याला स्किप करेल. कुठून स्टार्ट करेल? लाईन बाय लाईन, इथून फर्स्ट लाईन, सेकंड लाईन, इथून त्याला कन्सिडर केलं जाईल. ओके, कोडला doc type declaration, html, hey, titles, and I'm going to enter one data type examples, data type example, right? So in body section, this time I'm going to add script into body section. Fine. Okay, and inside body there is one attribute, and attribute name is language. Language equal to JavaScript. There is one way. Okay, now tell me how many number of variables in that program. Yes, exactly. Three number of variables. First variable name is num, N-U-M. It is very simple. Num is first variable. Second variable name is what? Sub underscore name. Subject name. Sub underscore name. And third variable name is flag. Var keyword is there. Var keyword is there, right? Var num, var sub, var flag. So there are three number of variables. See, these are variables. See, var, if I write var num is equal to 50, then this is treated as a number type. This is treated as what? Number data type. Okay. Now there is one line. JS is a loosely type. Loosely type means, see, when you talk about JavaScript and when you compare it with other programming language, this JavaScript is loosely type. Why is called as a loosely type? Because other programming language required exact keywords, exact statement, and you need to set types also. Okay, you need to set proper data types in it. For example, when you talk about C programming, then you should know about int, means integer, int space num, okay, semicolon. So that's why it's called as a loosely type programming. JavaScript is a what? Loosely type scripting type of language. Okay. See how to execute this code. The variable name is num and same variable I pass in that statement, that is a document dot write. What happened when you put such type of variable in output statement? It will print on browser screen. Okay, so this is what just comment, okay, which is not executed by browser in, okay, or script engine. Fine, this is for what? Developer reference or designer reference. Now I'm going to execute this. If I double click on that, then display what? Can you tell me guesses? Any guesses? What will be the output? Yes, 50 exactly. Very good. Very good. Let me add such type of statement inside script. Okay. Fine. Now which is okay. It will execute by browser. So this is the output 50 only. Fine. See, script engines can understand these things. Okay, script engine script tag can understand JavaScript statement because it's part of script, right? If you place any type of statement outside of script tag, then display as it is. Okay, because HTML is just a designing language. Whatever you enter inside HTML, it shows on browser. Fine. So that's why comment place inside script area. Okay, fine. So JS is a loosely type. Okay, no need to assign data type. Fine, no need to say data type. Directly you can write var num is equal to 50. Okay, you are able to write num is equal to 50. This is a variable name and this is a value assigned to that variable. Variable name is num. Again, this is a value, right, which is stored into computer memory. Are you heard about RAM? Are you heard about RAM? RAM stands for random access memory. So in that these values, this information going to store. Okay, fine. And you can call it by using output statement, that is a document dot write, and simply put variable name. See, the way you write, okay, this is a simplicity of JavaScript. कुठल्यापर्यंत तुम्ही लिहिताय त्याच्यावर काय होतं डिपेंड करतं ते. सो दॅट्स वाय इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ डायनामिकली टाईप. JS is also dynamically type scripting language. See, if I write var num is equal to in double quotes, see, can you tell me whenever you write any type of value in double quote, which is treated as what? Which is called as a, when you type any type of values, any type of characters, yes, exactly, string type, typ, yes, absolutely right, string data type. Okay, so I'm going to enter any type of number, okay, number. Simply put, number word, okay. Num is equal to number. Then see, can you tell me what happened? If I execute on browser, then display which type of output? Any guesses? Yes, absolutely right. Because now there is a number text, okay. Now there is what? Number text. So if I refresh, then display, if I refresh and or execute it, then display what? Number. Let me save this file, execute on browser. Yes, displays number text to the user. Fine. What num5? Number. Okay. Fine. So now use of number type. Numerical value specially belongs to the number data type. Number data type stores or hold, we can say, both whole number, integer or decimal point numbers, which stores fractional part of number, also called as floating point numbers. Number data type can hold positive as well as negative values. For example, where y is equal to 1 lakh, right, where z is equal to minus 67.99. okay, so in this way you can put any type of value inside variable. It will surely display it on browser screen. Okay, now string data type, another type. String are used for storing text. String must be inside of either double or single quotes. For example, where x is equal to hello, then display hello text. Where str is equal to information technology, then displays information technology text. If I see, if I put in document.write statement, okay, if I cut this line, okay, then tell me what happened. If I cut output statement, then please tell me what happened on page. What displays exactly on page? Yes, it will not show anything. Okay, nothing. Fine. If I execute the same on browser, then displays nothing on that screen. Okay. एक मिनट. Fine. Please check everyone. Okay, fine. So this is a number. Fine. It will not execute any type of value on browser screen because there is no any type of statement. Let me execute again. Yes, nothing on browser screen. Fine. Now if I put sub underscore name inside that statement, okay, that is a document dot write. Document dot write is what? Document write is output statement in JavaScript. So, subject underscore name. Remember one thing, you should provide proper name to the output statement and display exact output to the user. So in this way you use. Yes, is there any difficulty in number and in string type? Okay, so now next thing is what? Boolean type. It represents only two values, true and false. All relation or relational, conditional and logical operators produce Boolean values, true or false, or yes or no, okay, or 0 1, right? Yes. See, one more built-in function is there. okay, and that function name is type of. Okay, if I put type of function, then displays actual data type. Okay, see, if I put flag, okay, then display which type of data type, string type of data type. Okay, if I place instead of flag, if I place what, num, can you tell me what exactly displays on output? आउटपुट मध्ये काय असणार आहे, when you put num type of काय करते ते, no, it's different, little bit different. Okay, see, I'm not directly put num. Okay, yes, number type, exactly. See, if I displays see, number type is there. If I put, see, again read document dot write, is what, output statement. And now here there's a main thing is what, type of. Okay, see, type of means what, type of is a built-in function. It is used to give exact data type name. Okay, fine. See, type of num. Okay, if I place instead of num, if I place sub underscore name, if I place, so, okay, Digvijay says exact answer. Okay, okay, so string data type is there. Okay, fine. If I refresh it, then display string type. So in this way you can check your exact exact type. Okay, this is just example, nothing else. So this is about boolean type, 0 or 1. Okay, true or false. Okay, if I use flag, okay, there is no problem, but you should know about which type of which variable you put inside that. Okay, that is see, boolean data type. Now next thing is what, next thing is infinity. Division by 0 gives you an other special value, division by 0. Okay, so example, a is equal to 3 divided by 0, and it should displays infinity output. Okay, if I place, see, 3 divided by 0. Okay, and if I put num, then displays infinity. Okay, next thing is what, next type is null. In JavaScript, null is just a value which means nothing, empty, unknown. It is supposed to be something that doesn't exist. Okay, it does not, when which it does not exist in any type of value, then display null value, right? See, when nothing inside the any type of variable, then it shows null to the null value to the user. Okay, fine. So in this way you can put any type of value. So that's why JavaScript is a loosely type. Fine. If I use 100, then display what, num is equal to what, means if I pass num, then display what, 100 value. Okay, but check, if I pass, if I again use if I again initialize value to the num variable, and simply I enter 500, then display what, can you any guesses from you? If I again pass different value to the same variable, see, execution, JavaScript execution, it execute line by line. So what will be the output? See, no, not at all. Let me execute. Okay, if I refresh, then display 500 because it's a dynamic. Okay, see, JS is a dynamically type, means 100 जी value होती ती काय आली, override झाली. Okay, 100 value is a overwritten. Okay, and it shows now 500. Okay, Undefined. Okay, last type is undefined. See, last type is what? Undefined. JavaScript returns undefined when variable which is declared but not assigned. Then Java interpreter, which is JavaScript interpreter shows that is undefined. Okay. In this way, you use such type of variables and its types.